A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is cells of acute immune system. Class 12th and the subject is zoology. Our topic is today cells of acute immune system. Cells of acute immune system. Such that you know that the acute immune or severe immune system, the immunity that individual acquires during lifetime is known as acute immune system. We write here what is acute immune system. You know that the immunity that individual acquires, the immunity that an individual acquires, say that the immunity that an individual acquires during lifetime is called acute immunity, and the is also known as the adaptive immunity or specific immunity. In acute immunity, the indigenous of the invading microorganisms. In acquired immunity, the indigenous of the invading microorganisms when comes in contact with the cells of the immune system, which led to the irritation of adaptive immune response. So, our topic is here today acute cells of acute immune system. We know that acute immunity is defined as the immunity that an individual acquires during lifetime is called an acute immunity. And you know that our topic is today cells of acute immunity. The cells of acute immunity, cells of acute immune system, we write here cells of acute immune system are number 1 lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are there the individual occurring during lifetime, during birth. The immunity that individual occurring during lifetime is called acute immunity. In the cells of acute immunity are lymphocytes. Number 1. Number 2, antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cells. A. Antigen presenting B. C. Antigen presenting cells. Number 3, macrophages. Such that we should remember here that cells of acute immune system are two types: lymphocytes number 1 and number 2 antigen presenting cells A, B, C. First we define here what are lymphocytes. We know that lymphocytes, a healthy human being possesses about a trillion lymphocytes. A healthy human being possesses about a trillion of lymphocytes. A trillion of lymphocytes. A trillion of lymphocytes. These are produced in the bone marrow. These are produced in the bone marrow of stem cells, and So which number here that lymphocytes are about a trillion lymphocytes present in a healthy human being. These are produced in the bone marrow from pluripotent stem cells. From pluripotent stem cells. PLURI, PLURI, POTNT, pluripotent stem cells. Like other blood corpuscles, like other blood corpuscles, yeah, cells, blood corpuscles, like other blood cells. These are also present in the bone marrow from pluripotent stem cells. So here we should know here that they are present, lymphocytes are present. These are produced by bone marrow of stem cells, like other blood cells. Some of them continue their maturation. Right here, some of them continue their maturation, continue their maturation in the bone marrow, in the bone marrow, and develop into B lymphocytes, and develop into B lymphocytes, or B cells, or B cells. So we write here a healthy human being possesses about trillion of lymphocytes. These are produced by the bone marrow stem cells, like other blood cells. Some of them continue their maturation in the bone marrow and develop into B lymphocytes and B cells. Other migrate to the thymus and mature. We write here other migrate to the thymus and mature. When they migrate into the thymus and mature, there they develop into T lymphocytes. When they mature there, they develop into T lymphocytes. So we write here that mature lymphocytes then pass into the body fluids. Mature lymphocytes then pass into. We write here that the mature lymphocytes pass. Mature lymphocytes pass. Such that when they pass into body fluids and circulate in the body, fluids and circulate in the body and circulate in the body, then many of them sit in lymph. Then many of them sit in the lymph. So right here that many of them sit in the lymph nodes, spleen and other lymphatic tissue, lymph nodes, spleen and other lymphatic tissue. When they sit in these tissues, lymphatic tissue, spleen and lymph nodes, and the B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes form humoral. The B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes form humoral, Humoral, moral. They form humoral and cell mediated immune system. Humoral and cell mediated immune system. So here T cells immune system respective. Here we say that T cells they live for 4 to 5 years. T cells, T lymphocytes or T cells live for about 4 to 5 years. T cells, while as B lymphocytes or B cells are short-lived, while as B cells or B lymphocytes are short-lived. When they are short-lived, with a lifespan of few days, and their lifespan is with a lifespan of few days. So this is the lymphocytes. Then these are antigen presenting cells. The second one is the antigen presenting cells, APC. Now here the antigen presenting cells, we write here that antigen presenting APC, these what are these cells are? These are heterogeneous group of irregular leukocytic cells. These are antigen producing cells. These are heterogeneous group of irregular leukocytic cells. Irregular leukocytic cells, and we should note that which develop in the bone marrow also. These antigen producing cells they develop from the bone marrow also. So we write here that when the antigen produce cells, they are heterogeneous group of irregular leukocytic cells which they are produced in the bone marrow, but later they migrate to the other body sites. But later they migrate to other body sites. When they migrate to other body sites like lymph nodes, number one, and lymph nodes, lymph vessels, lymph sinuses, certified epithelia of skin, certified epithelia of skin, spleen and thymus extra. Spleen and thymus extra. And these similar cells include macrophages. These specialized cells include macrophages, B lymphocytes, and dendritic cells. include B. lymphocytes and dendritic cells and dendritic cells. Thank you.